how to change thumbnail on Facebook Reels video. So if you want to change thumbnail on Facebook Reels video, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, now you need to go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and go with your profile. Now under your profile, you need to go with the reel that you would like to change the thumbnail for. So tap on the reel, and here you need to go with the bottom right, which has that 3 dots, and then tap on edit video. Once you go with edit video, you'll be able to see who can see this reel, and you can describe your reel, you can change the caption, and if you tap on the reel, which is on the upper left, then you'll be able to choose a thumbnail. So select a thumbnail, any thumbnail that you're comfortable with from these items, and then you can go with save, which is on the top right, or you can also choose a thumbnail from your gallery. You can go with add from gallery, and then you can choose a thumbnail. Go with save, which is on the top right, and then again go with save, which is on the bottom, and your thumbnail has been changed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.